Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Liwat Turbay. I'm a 12 years practicing dentist, and today's topic is something we all want: teeth whitening. So grab a seat, relax, and let's get right into it. First things first, why do we need teeth whitening? Factors like coffee, tea, red wine, and even our favorite foods can stain our teeth over time. Teeth whitening is a fantastic way to combat these stains and restore the natural brightness of your smile. As we all know, there are several types of teeth whitening. I will try to cover today some of them. You've got, of course, over-the-counter whitening toothpastes and strips, professional at-home kits, and in-office treatments supervised by your dentist. The method you choose depends on your preferences, budget, and the level of whitening you are looking for. Now, if we want to start talking about natural or homemade teeth whitening products. So, if you are into natural remedies, we've got you covered. Some everyday ingredients like baking soda, activated charcoal, and even coconut oil have been rumored to have teeth whitening properties. Keep in mind though, results may vary. It's always a good idea to consult with your dentist before trying DIY methods. And if you want to talk about my favorite teeth whitening process, is the one done by your dentist. Professional teeth whitening treatments are safer and controlled by your dentist. They can assess the condition of your teeth, identify any underlying issues, and tailor the whitening procedure to suit your individual needs. Dentists can also create personalized treatment plans based on factors such as the current shade of your teeth, any existing dental work, and your overall oral health. This ensures a more targeted and effective whitening process. Dental whitening procedures performed by a dentist are closely supervised. This helps minimize the risk of overuse of whitening agents, which can lead to tooth sensitivity and damage to the enamel. The controlled environment ensures the safety of the treatment. Dentists also have access to professional-grade whitening products that are more potent than over-the-counter options. These products can provide a more noticeable and long-lasting results. Professional teeth whitening typically yields a quicker result compared to at-home options. In-office procedures often involve stronger whitening agents and may use specialized equipment, allowing for a faster and more efficient process. Dentists can also We can also take measures to minimize tooth sensitivity during and after the whitening process. We might use desensitizing agents, recommend specific products to alleviate any discomfort. After the whitening procedure, dentists can provide guidance on maintaining the results. They can advise on proper oral hygiene practices and recommend touch-up treatments if necessary. So, if you like this video and you would like to go more into details on this type of whitening treatments, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more smiley-worthy content. Until next time, keep shining bright and flashing those beautiful smiles.